Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anasha, aka Drippy Nails, and I'm back with another YouTube video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, reacting, and critiquing a nail technician by the name of Miss Gel Galore. She at me on Instagram a couple of days ago and asked me to review a picture, I believe, of her work, and I decided to go ahead and, oh my goodness, I'm speaking of her right now, and she is sending me a message through Instagram. Let's get straight into this video. Galore. I'm on her Instagram page and she has over 1,000 pictures here on her page. You guys definitely check her out. She also has a YouTube channel. Let me go ahead and follow her back. That is really cool. We'll check out her YouTube channel later, but we're gonna click on the picture that she wanted me to first look at initially when she tagged me on Instagram. So this is the initial photo. Wow. I'm gonna first off say wow. That's the first thing that comes to mind. So we have a pink set with alligator. We have rhinestone design. We have 3D teddy bear decals here. We also have 3D Chanel decal as well. Wow. This looks amazing. This looks really good. Your cuticle placement. I'm looking at your cuticle beads. Amazing. They look really, really good. Really good. Like so good that it looks fake. It looks like a red iguana like practice hand. That's what this looks like that I'm looking at. This looks really, really nice. I'm not even going to hype it. This is probably some of the best design work I've seen here yet. Submit it. This is really nice. I love how, oh my goodness, this is just really nice. Initially, very nice, very wow. Wow. Rhinestone placement, very beautiful, very, very nice. It lays out beautifully. Oh, it actually is a real hand. So I'm scrolling. It's a real hand. Cute little mouse. This is really nice. Your apex looks beautiful. Your nails look beautiful. Beautiful. They don't look chunky. They're even. The shaping is beautiful. Okay, out in real life. Again, we're looking at this again. If I want to critique it and be like really, really detailed, in your out in real life picture, your thumb, the only thing I can say is maybe your apex is a little bit small if I want to be like critiquing it very harshly. But other than that, I don't really see anything wrong. This is very nice. You shape these beautifully. I'm going to zoom in. Is this polish or is this acrylic? I feel like this is acrylic. This doesn't look like gel at all. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, this is really good work. You do a phenomenal, ooh, okay, so I'm scrolling again. Wow, beautiful. Your work is very, very nice, very nice. I really like this bumblebee. I like this bumblebee decal, not decal, 3D like impression that you put, not impression, but it's like a, it's not a rhinestone, it's not a decal, like 3D like art, 3D art, that's what I want to call it, 3D art. I like the bumblebee, that's really nice. Your photos are very pretty. Ooh, it is acrylic. I really like this. Oh, it's scrubs? Hold on, is this scrubs? No, it's acrylic, sorry. It's acrylic, guys. It's acrylic. Beautiful, beautiful. Really like this. Doing giveaways. Okay. Ooh, this is a very pretty acrylic color. This is pretty. Ooh, and you do some very pretty nice flowers as well. Very nice rhinestone placement in the very center. Your cuticles with, oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have 2 years experience. This is beautiful. This is very nice. We have oh, the teddy bear 3D art. I love that. I love that. Your art is very nice. I love your rhinestone designs. Your rhinestone designs, excuse me. Your rhinestone designs are really, really nice as well. I really like that. Rhinestone designs are very hard to do, especially I feel like with using actual rhinestones and not Swarovski crystals. I feel like, okay, this is gonna sound really crazy to you guys, but I personally feel like Swarovski crystals look really good on their own, regardless if you have a design or not. But I feel like with rhinestones, like you really got to put them in like a design. If you're going to use a lot of them, you got to put them in a design, because like they're lackluster. Okay, so with that being said, like they don't really shine and pop like that. So you have to use the shapes and the sizes and lay them out correctly where they'll still be aesthetically pleasing. And I really think she really achieved that here with this look. It looks really, really nice. I like this. This is nice. Your cuticles don't look hurt. You know, like sometimes people drill. I'm not sure if you use a drill, but you know, sometimes to get like accurate cuticles, people will go over and over and over again on their cuticle area. It doesn't even look like you do that. Very flush to the cuticle. Really like this. Doesn't look too thick, doesn't look chunky. Shaping looks good. Shaping is really nice. Ooh, mimosa me. I like this. This is really nice. This is a really nice orange color. The Nail Matrix. I kind of like that name. I like that name. That's a really cool name. I like this orange as well. This is a really nice orange. Ooh, and we have a blinged out set. Okay, hunty. We have a blinged out set. It's rhinestones. It's some crystals. It's those fairy crystals. I love those fairy crystals. Those fairy crystals give me life. The only thing I don't like about those fairy crystals, though, they get stuck in your hair. I always tell my clients, I'm like, I want to use them so bad, but I'm going to give you a warning. They will get stuck in your hair, and my clients be having long, luxurious weaves and stuff. Some of them are natural too, but I'm just saying, like, you don't want to get that caught in your hair. But this is really nice. I really like this placement, and you're using rhinestones too. This is really nice placement. Very nice placement. They're not all over the place either. That's, like I said in the beginning of this video, it's really hard to get like rhinestones in the right correct place and make them aesthetically. Oh my god, we got the clouds. Sorry, we got the clouds. These clouds, I feel like these are clouds. Your marble girl is really pretty. I really like this. We're gonna zoom in really quick. I have those same 3D like little stars or whatever. I used those for my Sailor Moon set that I did on my client pick ages ago. But I really like those. I really like this cloud. I like this marble effect this marble reminds me of my marble. I wonder if we're like on the same path, you know what I mean, girl? Like, I wonder if we're doing the same thing. This marble looks really, really good. I really like this blue. I like this blue. This marble is phenomenal. Oh, she did 2 different hands. Okay. So question, are you a lefty or a righty? Because I see you do both your hands. And of course, one hand is always better than the other. Clearly, you can see here with my own nails, I just decided to just keep 2 short ones because I gotta work fast, guys. Like, time is of the essence. I say that in all my videos. Time is everything. So yes, I still want to be cute to some extent, but we gotta work too. So we gotta work. So I'm just wondering, like, is this the same with you? Because I see you have 2 different sets going on here. And one, I won't say is bad. Like, it's still good. It's still good. But I do see one is your dominant and one isn't. So I'm curious as to which one. I'm going to say that you are a lefty. That's my guess. If I had to bet money, you're a lefty because your right hand looks phenomenal. My right hand doesn't look phenomenal. My left one looks good. This is really nice. Okay, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love your work. I love your work. Your work is really good. You're very talented. Keep doing what you're doing. Whatever it is that you're doing. Your shaping is phenomenal. Your shaping is phenomenal. Hey, send me an email or a message or something and tell me what tips you're using, please. And like what drill technique, if you don't mind. I'm curious. I personally don't use drill, but I'm really curious as to what you are doing specifically for your cuticle beads, because I don't know if it's the way that you're laying it or if it's your drill work, but your cuticles on yourself look really uniform and they look really good. They look really, really good and they look very flush. So I'm not sure if it's your cuticle bead and how you're applying it or if it's your drill, but you look really, really good, hun. This looks I feel old saying hun. I feel old grandma vibes. Ugh. Anyways, this is really good work, okay? You really did your shit on this. I really think that you're really good nail tech. And you're in New York. A lot of you guys from New York are submitting. I'm gonna have to come and do something out there. Atlanta's on my list for sure, of course, because of clients. But for my nail techs, I've been getting a whole bunch of people from New York. Okay, so you guys be submitting so much stuff. So, okay, so anyways, girl, I'm gonna say keep up the good work. Keep doing what you're doing. Send me a message. I'm really curious about this because, sorry, I'm screen recording once I put this phone in the camera, but you can clearly see right here, like, these are really freaking good. These are really nice. You did your shit on them. And you have encapsulated flowers under the rhinestones, which I just peeped. You're really good. Like I said, send me an email. Let's be in contact. I followed you on Instagram. I need to ask you, like, what are you doing for your cuticle beads? Because these look really good. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you would like to submit any of your own work to be featured here on my YouTube channel, you can do so by simply clicking the description box down below, looking at my email, and sending me some photos. You guys can also submit anonymously. You guys share, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time in another video.